Hello class, welcome to our LFCS online class. Myself Sandhya Tiwari, your geography teacher. As you all know that we had already started this chapter, and also in the previous class we had discussed some important topics related to this chapter, that is the most important, that is characteristics of monsoonal rainfall. Okay, in this topic we had some characteristics, at least there are 9 characteristics, and also the second topic which we had discussed, that is a season of retreating monsoon. Okay, now today we are going to start a new topic, that is Indian traditional Indian seasons. Okay, uh, in India we had divided it into 6 months. 12 months into 6 means each month contain only 2 months. Okay, each season contain only 2 months. Let us see the first one, season Vasant, means Chaitra and Vaishakh, and in we call Chaitra and Vaishakh according to our Indian calendar, and according to our Georgian calendar we called it as March and April. Okay, Krishna, Chest Asad, we call it in Georgian May, June, and Varsha means Shravan, Bhadra, that is July, August, and Sharad, that is Ashwina and Kartika, September, October, and Hemant, Margashara to Push, November, December, and Srishthara, Megha, and Falguna, that means January and February. Okay, so let us see here. In the Indian tradition, a year is divided two into 6 2 monthly seasons. We have divided this into 6 2 monthly seasons. This cycle of seasons, which the common people in North and Central India follow, is based on their practical experience and age old perception of weather phenomena. मीन्स आप यूँ कह सकते हैं कि इसको हमारे पुराने ज़माने से पूर्वजों के द्वारा फॉलो किया जा रहा है, एंड ऑल्सो this is also their they all are based on their experience. However, this system doesn't match with the seasons of South India. ये नॉर्थ इंडिया के सीजन को साउथ इंडिया के सीजन से मैच नहीं होता है, and where India where there is little variation in the seasons. यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी विविधता है. Okay, now distribution of rainfall. Now let's move towards another topic, that is distribution of rainfall. The average annual rainfall in India is about 125 centimeter. You can see in our country, in India, the average rainfall is 125 centimeter. But it has great special variations, and also there is some special variation, differences, vividhata. Now areas, and also we have divided it into how many parts? 4 parts. So let's move towards the first part. Areas of high rainfall. We will be able to see some of the important places where rainfall is high. And the highest rainfall occurs along the west coast on the western Ghats, as well as in the sub-Himalayan areas is the northeast and the hills of Meghalaya. You will be able to see these are the areas of more rainfall. You can see now these areas. Open your book and see these areas of high rainfall. See, okay, and also this one. Okay, got it? Yes. Now Here the rainfall exceeds 200 centimeter. In some parts of Khasi and Jaintia hills, the rainfall exceeds 1000 centimeter. See here. In sometime what happens in the hills of खासी एंड जैंतिया, खासी और जैंतिया में हम देखेंगे तो यहाँ का रेनफॉल कितना बढ़ जाता है, 1000 सेंटीमीटर तक हो जाता है. In the Brahmaputra Valley and the adjoining hills, the rainfall is less than 200 centimeter. और जब हम ब्रह्मपुत्रा वैली और उसके आसपास के एरिया को जब हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे, वहाँ के रेनफॉल को फाइंड आउट करेंगे, तो वहाँ का रेनफॉल क्या है? Yes, less than 200 centimeter. Now let's move towards the area of medium rainfall, जहाँ पर ना ही बहुत अधिक बारिश होती है, ना ही बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश होती है, मीडियम में होती है. Rainfall between 100 to 200 centimeter is received in the southern parts of Gujarat. And here you can see in the map. Okay, I will show you. Okay, I will show you in the live class. Okay, so southern parts of Gujarat is Tamil Nadu, northeastern peninsular covering Odisha, Jharkhand, Bihar, eastern Madhya Pradesh, northern Ganga plain, along the sub-Himalayas and the Kachar valley of Manipur. These are the places where rainfall is medium. Now areas of low rainfall. Let us see some areas where rainfall is very low. Western Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, Haryana, Punjab, Jammu and Kashmir, Eastern Rajasthan, Gujarat and Deccan Plateau receive rainfall between 50 to 100 centimeter. These are the some places of our country where rainfall is 50 to, see, these are the medium. See? Yes. Now, areas of low rainfall. See in Punjab, Jammu and Kashmir, Eastern Rajasthan, Gujarat and Deccan Plateau receive rainfall between 50 to 100 centimeter. Areas of inadequate rainfall, अपूर्ण मतलब कि पूरी complete बारिश नहीं. Rain parts of the peninsula, especially in Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Maharashtra, Ladakh and most of western Rajasthan receive rainfall below 50 centimeters. See, these areas are low rainfall area. Okay, these are low rainfall area, and also here we are talking about Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Okay, these are the areas of inadequate rainfall. And also here snowfall is restricted to the Himalayan region. Identify the pattern of rainfall after consulting the rainfall map. And also you can find out the pattern on what basis all the rainfall occurring places are arranged. Or variability of rainfall means you can say वर्षा की परिवर्तनशीलता जो कहते हैं. A characteristics feature of rainfall in India is its variability. The most important things you can say that the characteristics of what of rainfall, especially we are talking about our country, is variability. The variability of rainfall is computed with the help of the following formula. While finding out all this, we are trying to put some formula for this. Okay, where CV is the coefficient of variation. The values of coefficient of variation shows the change from the mean values of रेनफॉल व्हाट यहाँ पर जो कोएफिशिएंट जो वेरिएशन है वो किसकी वैल्यू शो करती है? वेरिएशन शो द चेंज फ्रॉम द मीन वैल्यूज ऑफ रेनफॉल, मीन वैल्यूज जो रेनफॉल का है इसको वो शो करती है। द एक्चुअल रेनफॉल इन सम प्लेसेस deviates from 50 to 20 to 50 सेंटीमीटर। ये कुछ कुछ जगहों पर ये मीन्स थोड़ा पीछे हट जाता है, कितने सेंटीमीटर में आ जाता है? 20 to 50 सेंटीमीटर। द वैल्यूज ऑफ कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ वेरिएशन शो वेरिएबिलिटी ऑफ रेनफॉल इन इंडिया। Variability of less than 25% exist on the western coast। जो वेरिएबिलिटी है वो वेस्टर्न कोस्ट में कितना शो करती है? प्रेजेंट शो करती है ओनली 25। वेस्टर्न घाट्स, नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न पेनिनसुला, ईस्टर्न प्लेन्स ऑफ गंगा, नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न इंडिया, Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh, and also southwestern part of Jammu and Kashmir. These areas have an annual rainfall of over 100 centimeter. These areas receives a rainfall of more than or over 100 centimeter. Variability of over 50% exists in the western part of Rajasthan, northern part of Jammu and Kashmir, and interior parts of the Deccan Plateau. These areas have an annual rainfall of less than 50 centimeter. And these are the places where annual rainfall is very less and less than 50 centimeter. The rest of India have a variability of 25 centimeter to 50 centimeter, 50%, not centimeter, percent, and these areas receive an annual rainfall between 50 to 100 centimeter. See these areas, annual rainfall and variability. See more 50-60% of rainfall, and also 30 to 15 less than 15%, all these areas. Okay, so tomorrow we will continue our climatic regions of India in live class. Okay, so today only this much. Thank you, beta.